S.K Rajan here, delivering chosen spiritual messages by Patriji. This day, 1st of February 2019. Excerpts from the book Bringers of the Dawn, Teachings from the Pleiadians by Barbara Marciniak. Maintain humor. You have complete control over everything. Until you discover that and believe it, you are subjected to whatever anyone else wishes to do to you in this free will zone. And in your innocence, you have been exposed to things that have allowed your DNA, your intelligence, and many other things to be controlled. The task you have before you is to consciously command, intend, and will the evolvement of your DNA. Commanding and willing and asking for this is not easy, for you must move through many identities. It is time for you to move through the challenges and unlock the history that is inside of your body by allowing the light-encoded filaments to rebundle, forming new helixes, and by allowing yourself to be receptive to what this new information in the DNA is going to plug into you. It will not always make sense to your logical mind. You will learn that your logical mind has a place, a function, and a purpose, but that it is not your identity. The logical mind is overused by many people. It is overtaxed and abused. And when you overuse and abuse the logical mind, you create stress upon your body. You do not always need to understand logically what you are experiencing. Watch yourself. Maintain humor at all times and maintain the idea that you are evolving. Thank you.